Are you looking for the healthiest food to have on a no-carb and no-sugar diet? Making better food choices can help you get the most out of your diet, and you don't have to sacrifice flavor. Eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods can help you reach your health and fitness goals. Here are 10 of the healthiest foods to have on a no-carb and no-sugar diet. From leafy greens to lean proteins, these foods will provide plenty of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients while helping you stay on your diet. Not only will they help you lose weight, but they'll also help you feel fuller longer and give you the energy you need throughout the day. So, let's take a look at these 10 healthiest foods to have on a no-carb and no-sugar diet. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are a great source of vitamins and minerals. They are also extremely low in calories and carbs, making them an ideal choice for a no-carb diet. These greens are also high in fiber, which is essential for regular bowel movements and maintaining good gut health. Eating leafy greens is also a great way to get more iron and other essential minerals like magnesium and manganese into your diet. These minerals are important for a variety of bodily functions, including strengthening bones and muscles, regulating blood pressure and blood sugar, and breaking down fats and proteins for energy. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are great sources of healthy fats and protein, making them perfect foods to have while on a no-carb diet. Studies have also shown that eating nuts can help lower your blood pressure and cholesterol, which may help reduce your risk of heart disease. Keep in mind that most nuts and seeds are high in calories, so you want to watch the portion sizes. Some of the best nuts and seeds to have while on a no-carb diet include almonds, walnuts, cashews, pistachios, Brazil nuts, and pumpkin seeds. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are not only tasty, but they are also great sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Studies have also shown that eating berries regularly may reduce your risk of certain cancers, coronary heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. While many people think that certain fruits are off limits when on a no-carb diet, berries are one of the few fruits that are actually very low in carbs. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries have less than 10 grams of carbs per cup, while blackberries have about 13 grams. Avocados. Avocados are a tasty and healthy food to have while on a no-carb diet. They are packed with healthy fats, which are essential for your body, brain, and nervous system. Avocados are also a good source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining good gut health and regulating your digestive system. Eating avocados is also a good way to increase your intake of important nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which are important for regulating your blood pressure and blood sugar. Avocados are also an excellent source of vitamins K and, which are important for our health, as well as vitamin B6, which helps your body break down and process proteins and promotes healthy skin. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes like chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans are a great source of fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients that are important for your health. Eating beans regularly may help reduce your risk of developing heart disease and certain types of cancers. Beans are a great substitute for grains like rice and pasta, and unlike most high-carb foods, they are naturally low in sugar. While you may have heard that legumes are a good source of protein, they are especially beneficial for people who are following a no-carb diet, because they are also low in carbs. Fruits. Fruit is a delicious and healthy food choice to have while on a no-carb diet. While most people avoid fruit while trying to lose weight, certain types of fruits are actually very low in carbs and can fit into your diet plan. Some of the best fruits to have while on a no-carb diet include grapefruits, lemons, limes, oranges, and strawberries. Other fruits that are low in carbs include apples, blueberries, cantaloupe, grapefruit, kiwi, and watermelon. The key to eating fruit while on a no-carb diet is to watch your portion sizes and select lower carb fruits whenever possible. Fish and seafood. Fish and other seafood like crab, lobster, scallops, and shrimp are healthy protein sources that are low in carbs. They are also full of essential nutrients like vitamins B and D, selenium, and zinc. Studies have shown that regularly eating fish may help reduce your risk of developing heart disease and certain types of cancers. When you're on a no-carb diet, make sure to choose fish that are low in mercury, such as salmon, Atlantic mackerel, herring, tuna, and sardines, and limit your intake of swordfish and shark. You can also eat shellfish like scallops, crab, and lobster. Shellfish are also low in carbs, but they are also extremely high in sodium, so try to limit your intake of shellfish and choose freshwater varieties when possible. Oils. Olive oil, coconut oil, and fish oil are great healthy fats that are low in carbs and full of nutrients. Studies have also shown that regularly eating healthy fats can help reduce your risk of certain cancers, heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. When you're on a no-carb diet, make sure to choose oils that are low in carbs. Extra virgin olive oil has about 14 grams of carbs per cup, coconut oil has less than 1 gram per tablespoon, and fish oil has less than 1 gram per tablespoon. You can also use low-carb cooking sprays like coconut oil spray and olive oil spray, which are great for sautéing and baking and are carb-free. Eggs. Eggs are a nutrient-rich and low-carb source of protein that are perfect for anyone on a no-carb diet. Studies have also shown that regularly eating eggs may help lower blood cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Eggs are also a good source of B vitamins, selenium, and choline, which is important for fetal development during pregnancy. The only downside of eating eggs regularly is their high cholesterol content, so if you are at risk for heart disease, you may want to limit your intake of eggs. For best results, make sure to choose eggs that are low in fat and have a high amount of protein,